Using Google Gboard voice typing. So let's just open a sample. Here we have the Gboard, which is defaulted on my Android phone. And as you can see on the top right hand corner, you have a microphone. So initially when you press this, it's going to ask you to allow and enable and so forth. Just do that. 2nd of March 2025, summary meeting. I met with the client today and provided an overview of recording devices for a classroom setting. This would include Sonocent Glean, Live Transcribe, Word Transcribe on Microsoft Word. Now, as you can see, it's not 100% accurate, but if it's faster than typing for you or input, this may be something that you would consider or that you can consider. The other aspects of configuring the Gboard, if you want to go to settings, so if I press down click on settings there, and I click on glide typing, just make sure that these are all highlighted, and then you can go in as an alternative input and do your gliding. Now some people like this, they find it very efficient, and some people don't. In terms of efficiency, you can configure it for one finger typing or one hand typing. Again, press the comma, then press this, and now it's configured for left hand typing, and conversely there it is configured for right hand typing. And there we have it again. Just a way by which to use the Gboard. Not 100% efficient in terms of the language, especially with dictating, medical, legal, specialized words and so forth, it may not have it. But nonetheless, if you're just doing quick typing, a faster way of input as opposed to typing, this may be more beneficial. In terms of installation, do a search for it on the Play Store for Android. It is free. It's a Google application. And again, as with all demonstrations that I provide, terms and conditions apply in relation to the GDPR and so forth. So that's your due diligence. So press install. Give it a few seconds. Just takes about a minute depending on the speed of your smartphone. And then press open. And then from here you need to enable the settings to have the Gboard as your default keyboard. So we click on enable settings, and here we can see it's not that obvious, but you can see here the Gboard. So we just enable that, press OK, and then we go up to the default, which is the Samsung, and we press Gboard. And that is basically it. So if we go back into, press done there, we go back in. We go into the Keep Notes, again a part of the Google apps. And here we have the Gboard, and we need to configure it again. So in terms of my configuration, I click on that little comma, preferences, number row, font Gboard. Let's see, I don't like heptapic press because I don't like it popping up, just for security reasons, so that somebody or if somebody can see that, quite maybe a security risk slightly. And so if I go back into voice typing and enable that for downloading when offline, that's important. It will download in the background. In terms of dictionary, you can include your own dictionaries, but based on my experience, it can be quite cumbersome, so I tend to leave that out. And there we have it. So again, this is the first time I've used it. When you see this, you have to enable it for the first time. And I am here to give a demonstration on the benefits of using voice typing with Gboard. So there you have it, just a brief overview on the benefits of the Google Gboard, which is, as I said, quite good in terms of voice typing. And again, as with all voice recognition software, background noise is very important. I also use, and on occasion, plug in the Samsung Go mic, which is an external microphone, and that enhances the quality also of the voice recognition. Thank you for watching.